trend, and this is why I like to do these when the markets are still open, because check it out, as I speak, volume is pouring in. Look at how fast those numbers are changing. So had a nice little consolidation this morning, but now the price is broken out and it continues to, try to grind higher. So let's map out some areas to watch here. So first key level, as far as supports are concerned, is going to be that breakout point right there at 24 cents. So if this breakout is going to look, just that much better, you don't want to see the price all of a sudden fall back into this former, consolidation area that I mentioned just a couple of moments ago. So 24 cents is going to be that main area of support in terms of levels of resistance. Next key battleground to watch very closely, going to be right up here at the top part of that range. In fact, it was right there at the 28 cent mark. So 28 cents, next key level from a resistance standpoint, but no doubt about it, very, very impressive surge of volume. As I speak, volume continues to come in, so it'll be interesting to see how this all translates into Friday. Next one here, ARDX, crazy day here, but maybe not as crazy as what it looks like when you consider that the overall trend has been very, very bullish. But nonetheless, just got to go through today. The opening 30 minutes, an absolute train wreck, huge red candle. But after that, and the next 30-minute candle dropping to a low right there, it's like the bull said, hey, just kidding, and then roared all the way back upwards. So crazy day here. And you got to like stocks like this that have good, solid volatility like this. And if you like to play uptrends, and as you just saw, this would definitely be considered an uptrending stock. So as far as levels to watch moving into Friday, first key level of support going to be right down here around the $2.50 mark. From more of an overarching standpoint, just continue to watch that purple line there, 50-period moving average. And from an overall area, as long as the price, because this is, going to keep on quote-unquote moving, hence its term a moving average. But as long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the overall trend is fully in the bull's favor. But really, resistance levels don't matter. What do I mean by that? What matters the most is what this thing has been doing, and that is just continuing to chip away and build higher bases. So as long as higher bases are being put into place, then resistance levels will be taken care of, no problem. Next one, BXRX. Bit of a shaky looking chart here, a bit of an ugly looking chart, but as you longtime viewers know what I'm going to say next, there can be opportunity in the ugly. And the opportunity here, if you can be disciplined and honor stop losses, because, if this thing just continues to drop and drop and drop, you don't want to turn into a bag holder. But from a risk-reward standpoint, what's being risked relative to what kind of reward you could get if you do get a bounce, it can be attractive if this is your sort of situation. But right down here at $2.80 is by no means a guaranteed area, but certainly plausible. It's a former breakout area. You have the pink line there, the 200-period moving average. So like I said, no guarantees, but is it valid to think that the price pulls on there, it could find some support and then get a bounce in the upwards direction? Absolutely. And again, you don't need a massive bounce to even make the trade plan worthwhile, because what being risked relative to the potential reward, could work out very, very nicely. So if you do like to play these pullback plays and try to take advantage of things when everybody's giving up because everybody thinks it's as ugly can be, then keep an eye on it.